Outreaching Web3 VCs. Now, this is the very interesting topic because I never did it myself. I never outreached VCs. I'm not the VC guy yet. Maybe I'm going to be sometime in the future. So you can completely disregard whatever I'm saying, because this is all I'm going to share in the next couple of minutes is going to be just from my head. That is not backed up by any practice. I don't know how it's going to work out. Maybe I'm just going to be a big piece of bullshit. Maybe that's going to give you an idea that's going to set you up on your own path and help you answer this. Maybe you don't know at all anything about outreaching about Web3 VCs, then it's going to be definitely helpful for you. If I was going for investors, this is very busy people with a very big attention span. Everybody wants their attention all the time. And I know for a fact that they have a lot of money. Money is never the problem. The problem is finding the good founder. So somebody with a good idea and somebody they can trust to give them money. That's why I would probably go for something that is very intimate. So doing a lot of outreach on details that may sound super intimate or super hidden, or just like going into that familiarity type of thing where you go and do a lot of research on a specific person, and then you write such a personalized message that they think, holy shit, who is this guy? Is he like my relative, whatever? Is he spying on me? Because that kind of relevancy will open the door for you, because you need to answer, who are you? Why are you writing to him? And why he should care, why that person should care in the first 1-2 sentences. That's the main thing. That's how it gets to an investor, in my thinking. And that's what I would do. Maybe I'm wrong. Beginning of the message is your most valuable real estate. So they don't care about your pitch. They don't care. Like, the main thing you need to do is like differentiate. If you want to, like, if you're writing an email, just write an email and do the subject like sexy banana. I mean, it's going to get an eyebrow reaction, rather than like, best opportunity in the world, like give me $1 million and I'm gonna make you a billionaire, like, because they hear that all the time. Just make it fun, make up something out of it, and just remember that the beginning of your message is going to be the most valuable real estate, so don't blow it. That's going to be one thing that I'll be doing. And then the second thing is, instead of working myself, I'll probably need to find somebody that can just let me in and make my life easier, because it feels like the investor world and VC world is very closed off. So you need someone, a friend, or I don't know, people that believe in you, that are gonna let you in that world, and they will introduce you to the world, they will introduce you to the right people. And instead of going and trying to knock on their doors, you basically finding a friend that brings you to their home and says, hi, this is Nikolai and he's a good guy. Like, you can talk with him about different things. So much easier there's going to be to get any investment conversation going. You need to find somebody who's going to be your key to that door and the key to their world. And you should be helping this guy or this girl that's going to be your key in any ways possible. You're going to be, you will owe them a lot. So you need to find that kind of person. And then basically what I would do, I would just stick to this plan and execute it again and again in the loop until I accumulate enough amount of feedback and results that I'm happy. And that's basically it. So this will be a starting point. Your life will teach you and give you lessons where it will explain you how can you do your job better. At the moment when you hit your goal, that's going to be the moment when you can say thank you to the good old Nikolai. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, put a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, send it to a friend, maybe send it to your co-founder, and see what your co-founder has to say to this video. Thank you so much. All the links are in the description, Web3 Sales Gym links as well. See you. Bye-bye.